In this video I will show you how to sell ENS name on Opensea easily. So first of all, I go to the Opensea website and press the wallet button. Then I choose Metamask. Obviously, to list on sale we can only if we already have some NFTs on the wallet. So I click Profile and scroll down to see my awesome Nifties. I have a few. I would select the name that works on ENS. Here we can see all the information about the domain name. But I'm heading to the sell button. ENS works only on the mainnet, so I have to switch my Metamask from Polygon to the mainnet. Then I enter the fair price for this amazing name and set the duration of the offer. Alright, I'm ready to complete the listing. First of all, I need to approve the permission for the collection. I click Confirm. Great, transaction completed, and the final step is to confirm the listing. I click Sign. Awesome, I have listed the domain name on Opensea. It's a limited offer. If you want to buy it, you have only 7 days to do so. So if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. So that's all for now. See you on Web3. Bye.